Hello students, Mr. Newman here. I realize it can be confusing to start an online homework assignment with programs that one may be unfamiliar with. Also, as a teacher, my pages look different than your pages, and that doesn't help. So fortunately, there were still some licenses left, so I gave myself one. So I'm now a student in third period. So this is one of the home screens you can see when you log into TCI, probably through Clever, then clicking on TCI. Here we go. I will simply go to assignments to see if there's an assignment. And there is. However, this is an assignment I had to make right now because being added newly as a new student, I didn't receive the previous assignment and I couldn't assign it to just one student. It had to be a whole class. So I'll run through this, then delete that assignment. Anyway, what us teachers go through. So here we are, Civilizations of the Americas. That is the unit, Civilizations of the Americas. That means North and South America, Latin America. The unit is also referred to as Mesoamerica sometimes. Mesoamerica, meaning Middle America, like Mesolithic, Middle Stone Age, Paleo, Neo, Mesoamerica, the Middle Americas, because so many cultures flourished there. They also flourished in South America, especially along the west coast, along the Pacific Ocean, and then along the Andes, and that was the famous Inca civilization. Inca was a culture that conquered and ruled and dispersed the other cultures in that area along the very long mountain chain we call the Andes. So all those people collectively we call the Inca, although some of them were only like of true Inca origin. Nonetheless, very interesting stuff down there. So here we go. You click on this purple diamond. It has a drop-down menu. I want you to click on every one of these. However, you can just go to the next page if you just start at the first one. Unit overview. I would like you to read all of that or have it read to you by clicking this play button.
Civilizations of the Americas. Throughout this unit, you will learn about the Maya, Aztec, and Inca civilizations.
There you have it. Feel free to put your feet up and close your eyes if you want some of it read to you. Fidget with something, I'll never know. This is not too much to ask to read. This is called exposure, students. You're being exposed to this information for quite likely the first time, and teachers realize this, but you got to start somewhere. So you read that, write down anything you may know about the Maya, the Inca, or the Aztec. Maybe there's nothing you know. Fine. Then put, I don't know anything yet. Here you can put what you would want to know. That is really one of my favorite attributes of people is questioning things and what are they curious about. Try and come up with a few questions. You must want to know something. I mean, what did they eat? What did they make their shoes with? How tall were they? I don't know. Learned. And then that is something you can put some notes in at the end of the unit. So, want to know, no, click on next section, right down there. Oh, you can also get this bar out of the way by clicking those double arrows. Hey, now we're getting somewhere. The map some of you have been asking about. Yeah, these looks like maps to me. Okay, you're going to study the maps. You can zoom in. You're going to have to zoom in. Ooh, yeah, I remember that. Unfortunately, the resolution doesn't change. Give it your best guess. Some of the questions you have in life don't always aren't always written well, or it's confusing what exactly it's asking for. And I remember that about one of these questions here. I think it was something like, what is the elevation on the West Coast? according to the map, what is the elevation? Or something, and it's, what is the elevation and climate of the land in Western South America? Well, the elevation goes from 0 to, 10, 15,000 feet. I don't know. Maybe put that as a range. You have the elevation chart here. Just give it your best answer. Read these words or have it read to you. Probably the best practice would be to have it read to you so you hear how things are pronounced, at least according to a computer. Let's see if you can highlight some of it and have it read to you.
Mexico
Ooh,
and Central America.
You can. So, for example, how do you pronounce, say, a word like I don't know. All these look pretty common to me. Is it Highlands or Highlands? Well, how does the computer want us to say?
Highlands.
Yeah, Highlands. Anyway, good for pronunciation. A little map activity. You can choose your colors somewhere because you're going to be shading in different parts. Locate the area of the Maya civilization. Shade or outline it in green on your map or in the key. Well, figure it out. Let's see. Where are the colors? Ah, there's some colors. Okay. So then you're going to have to refer to these maps to know. The Maya civilization. Let's see. Oh, there we are. There's your answers. Now you are to shade those regions in yourself. Answers here in complete sentences, please. Let's be smart humans and practice full thoughts, complete thoughts. Thinking critically. Good. Yep. Answer. Next section. Now we are on what is called the impact of the environment. Here we go. Mesoamerica. What's that mean? Middle America. Words. Alpaca. Or is it a vicuña? Terraces. Yep, terraced farming. Okay, let's see. Now that's if you want to jump around. You don't need to do that. Okay, here's the major sections, but you're really clicking through all these pages, and that's the end. Wow, is that the end? That's the end. So, read, type, hopefully find some interest in all this, and I'll be talking with you soon.